In the sterilization process, just running the machine or applying heat is not enough. We need proof that the instruments are truly sterile. That's where chemical and biological indicators come in. Chemical indicators give us an instant visual confirmation, usually through a color change showing where the sterilization cycle was successfully completed. But the final assurance comes from biological indicators, which confirm that no microorganisms have survived. Without these indicators, we risk compromising patient safety, and that's why they are an essential part of every CSSD sterilization process. This green color strip is chemical indicator that is added in TOSI. TOSI is test object surgical instruments in washer disinfector to ensure the process of disinfection. Next one is Steri-Gage, a chemical indicator that turns its green color into black after sterilization. Next one is biological indicator that is installed in PCD, process challenge device after crushing it. It is used to verify the efficiency of sterilization process like steam or hydrogen peroxide. Mostly used biological indicator is Geobacillus stereothermophilus. Let's revise these indicators one by one. Steri-Gage tape that turns its blue color into black after sterilization. This is biological indicator Geobacillus stereothermophilus added in PCD to ensure sterility. The green color steri tape that turns into white after sterilization is added in TOSI for washer disinfector. This yellow strip is introduced in green color PCD for culture of bacteria.
Stay tuned with Hamza's MedScope for more clinical and practical content. Allah Hafiz.